How to make money with Canva fast and easy in just 1 minute of work every day. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with Canva for selling the magazine covers. As you can see here in Fiverr, we all know that Fiverr is a freelancers selling website. As you can see here, we can find that persons are selling their designs for $20 or $5, and this one is selling the design for $130, and he just sold 13 of this gig. Imagine, it's over $1,000. If you want to do it too, just go to Canva right here and go to the home page, then go down right here and click on this plus button and go to the search bar and search for magazine right here and click on magazine cover right here and wait a few seconds. It will take you to the page that where you will find a lot of free templates that you can sold. Imagine that you can sold free template for $20 or even $5 if you want, or more. You can sold it for 100 if people love your designs. You can just edit anything here and start selling easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.